Have you ever heard about gardening with moon cycles? Is it a myth or a method? Delve into the heart of this captivating concept, where celestial bodies meet earthly horticulture. Could lunar rhythms influence our green friends? Stay tuned to understand this fascinating concept. So, what exactly is gardening with moon cycles? Well, it's a time-honored practice that syncs planting and harvesting with the moon's phases. Think of it as a celestial calendar for your garden. As the moon waxes and wanes, it creates different gravitational pulls. These pulls affect groundwater levels and plant growth. From the new moon to the full moon, conditions are optimal for plants that grow above ground. Conversely, the waning moon favors root crops. It might sound like a fairy tale, but there's more science to it than you might think. Now let's delve into the science behind this method. The moon, as it orbits Earth, exerts a gravitational pull. This pull affects not only our tides, but also the water within plants. When the moon is waxing, its gravitational pull is stronger, encouraging the rise of sap in plants and promoting leafy growth. During the waning phase, the pull is weaker, making it an ideal time for root crops. So, it's not as mythical as it initially sounds, right? You might be wondering how to incorporate moon cycles into your gardening routine. It's easier than you might think. Start by tracking the lunar phases and plant during the new moon when growth is at its peak. Harvest during the full moon when the gravitational pull is strongest. You can find moon calendars online to help you stay on track. And remember, practice makes perfect. With these steps, you can become a moon cycle gardener. To recap, gardening with moon cycles isn't a myth, but a method backed by science. We've explored what it is, the intriguing science behind it, and how you can apply it in your garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.